Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about something on Twitter. So how do you get followers organically really fast so that you can grow your Twitter platform in matter of days. So I'm going to give you three three unconventional ways to get 500 followers in just 3 days from starting from bare bones. So let's start. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video and share the video with your friends and your colleagues around. So let me share my slide and then we'll take it forward from there. So, first, the first element that you should really consider is tweeting videos. So you would find that a lot of people on Twitter tweet amazing videos, and there's a very simple way of actually forwarding those videos. So all you have to do is to right click on it, or you click on if you're using your mobile devices, then you click on it and it shows you an option to tweet the video. So you need to tweet that video. So the reason why is the affinity towards a video is far higher than when people just see an image or an article. And that really connects and engages the audience much better. That's what the studies say. So you must look at tweeting videos, at least 1 or 2 videos every day. I'm not talking about, I'm not telling you to tweet irrelevant videos. You must have a niche and you must work around that niche. You must look at the videos around that niche and you tweet those videos. The second thing that also you should do around the videos is how do you hashtag them. Now there are I've seen a lot of people putting in irrelevant hashtags like thank you hashtag or something on birthday hashtag. That birthday hashtag may be relevant. The thank you hashtag is for what? Hashtag is for people to search for tweets. Now no one searches using thank you. So there are many search hashtags, and in fact, let me also tell you that many hashtags are also banned on multiple social platforms. So you have to go and read the user guidelines and the terms and conditions. So even if you're putting in a banned hashtag, let's say something to do with fighting racism and drugs and abuse and all of that, they will automatically be blocked, and your post will not even get to see the light of the day at all. So be very mindful of that. The second point is that of commenting. So now I'm sure a lot of people actually don't read anyone's comments or even comments on your own posts if you are having a lot of comments coming in on your post. So you must go and read comments of people who are in similar fields, in similar industries, what their friends are talking about, and go and comment on them. Make relevant comments. Show yourself as an authoritative figure in that particular domain and who has a subject matter expertise in that domain. So you need to show that to the audience. So go and comment on profiles of people who are similar in your zone of work, or if they're tweeting on something which is related to your work, please go ahead and comment on that. And also comment on the related solution. So let's say if you are talking about, let's say, technology. So if there is a post from a good brand on, let's say, artificial intelligence or on digital transformation, go and put your 2 cents in there. Relevant, good, sensible $0.02, so that when people go and read those, and if at all they read your comments, chances are they will go back and read your profile. So two things come in here. Your profile must be really, really strong. And the other thing is that the research shows that if you're commenting, if you're the first 5 people to comment on a post, there's a very high chance of you getting a like, or people would go onto your page to take a look at who this person is. So please keep that in mind. Third point is linking articles. Now, if you are reading a certain article posted by somebody, and you feel that there are related articles, or there are other articles which are talking about something more on more than what this article talks about, or there's a related research which the author may have missed out on, or there is some research paper that has been published by known personalities or researchers, please go ahead and link those researchers or articles. That lends a lot of value to the person who's doing it, that is yourself. So again, that will bring people back onto your homepage or your profile page, and chances are that they will follow you. So these are the 3 unconventional ways. The first one is less unconventional, but the second and the third one are really, really unconventional ways, and I don't see many people really talk about it. So tweeting videos, related videos, commenting on profiles of people, or posts of people who have related profiles, and the kind of jobs they do on brands, and linking articles to related researches, and extension of the articles really, really go a long way in getting followers organically. So those were the 3 simple ways that I wanted to tell you on how you can actually get followers really, really fast. I can tell you, if you are really good at it and you put your mind and soul into it, you can easily get 500 followers in just 3 days. So that's it, guys. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I will leave behind my LinkedIn URL. Please connect with me. You can also subscribe to my newsletters, and you can get a copy of all my newsletters and the presentations of the past. And I also work with companies and startups to help them find solutions to challenges. So if you want to engage me as a consultant, please say yes on that subscription form, on the 3rd field of the form, and I shall reach out to you. And meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and forward and share the video to all your friends and your colleagues. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.